How's it going, everyone? Vlad here with SolisPLC.com, and welcome to this PLCnext course. In this course, we're going to focus on the fundamentals of the PLCnext platform and use a starter kit that you can see right here and that you can purchase through the links covered in the class. Our goal is to be covering the fundamentals. We're going to start off by downloading and installing all the required software. We're going to get an overview of the hardware, and then we're going to proceed to installing some external inputs and outputs tied back to our PLC, and then program our PLC logic and then do some HMI development. We're going to finish off by working with some third-party applications, one of which is Node-RED, and then showing you some of the features of PLCnext. The audience for this course is going to be technicians, engineers, managers, and anybody else that's interested in learning about PLCnext as well as what it brings to the manufacturing automation space. The course is going to assume basic computer literacy, but nothing when it comes to PLC programming, HMI development, or otherwise. We're going to start from the basics. We're going to take you step by step to connecting to your PLC and then being able to design some basic programs on your PLC as well as your HMI. If you have any questions, we'd be more than happy to answer them through our forum. That being said, we look forward to seeing you on the inside.